Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Crazy Easy. Today we will discuss about the Elevate Wings 1 program in detail. So if you newly joined the TCS or those who already accepted the offer letter and will be joining the TCS in future, or you are not much aware about the Elevate program, so this video is exclusively for you. So before starting, like this video, and if you are new to this channel then please subscribe it. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. So, what is Elevate program? Tata Consultancy launched the Elevate program in April 2020 as a way to help the employees polish their leadership qualities and be the next generation leaders. The talent development program is to accelerate the career performance of employees that will also increase the compensation. This program is help to polishing and transforming into leaders that companies need today. With the increase in demand for digital and contextual skills, companies are now applying for upskilling programs across sectors like pharma, retail, and banking. So it is to benchmark the upskilling target for the employees on all the levels, including freshers, mid-levels, and manager. The motive is to transform the employees into full stack technology professional, transformation leaders, and specialists in analytics, IoT, security, etc. So Wings 1 is specifically designed for the freshers having 0 to 4 years of experience. All the baby engineers, developers are included in this program. Wings 2 is designed for mid-level employees having 4 to 10 years of experience. All the senior developers, analysts, technical architects will be considered here. And Wings 3 is for 10 and above years of experience. All the managerial people are eligible for this program. Obviously, grade is also defined for the every Wings program. So it may vary plus or 1 years of experience based on your grade. So why Wings 1 program is important? Because this Elevate Wings program, if you all know, the hike in TCS is very less. So that's why this program is important. It will provide you the opportunity to change your profile and also help to increase your package. So we'll be focusing on Wings 1 program, which is specifically designed for freshers. Before deep dive into Wings 1 program, let's throw some light on campus hires, as this campus hires refines your cadre, or I can say profile, which you are and for which Elevate path you are eligible. So first is TCS Smart. The TCS Smart hiring program is exclusively for BCA, BSc, BVOC in CSIT students and freshers. Here package is around 1.5 to 2 LPA. So if you belong to this smart profile, you are eligible for DCA and TSLP, both the path of the Wings 1 program. Secondly, TCS is inviting BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc students who will graduate are selected for this TCS Ninja entry level hiring process having 3.36 LPA. Ninja associates are also eligible for DCA and TSLP, both the parts of Wings 1. Third one is the prime job profile for which TCS hire is extraordinary freshers is named digital, for which salary package is 7 LPA. Based on their interest, candidates are mapped to various units such as IoT, AI, ML, big data, virtual reality, blockchain, LPL, and so on. So those who top in Ninja will get the opportunity for digital assessment, and from DC also you can move to this cadre. So you already at the digital, so you are only eligible for TSLP part to move innovator. That is the next cadre in the TCS. So the last cadre is innovator. TCS hires candidate for innovator profile from IITs, NITs, and top institute. Through this hiring, you will get the research role in the TCS Research and Innovation Unit. TCS Innovator, I guess, is more focused on some work where people work together in team and project dedicated to innovation of new tools or techniques for the benefits of clients or TCS internal operation. For the innovator career, around 9 to 12 LPA packages offer. So I hope from this you got to know what is your profile or for which path you are eligible. so you can start your Wings journey. Now specifically talking about the Elevate Wings 1 program. Basically it has a two parts. First one is a DCA, that is a Digital Capability Assessment, where you can give an assessment followed by the interview. You will get the digital cadre upon clearing the assessment and the interview. And the second path is TSLP, T-shaped learning path. This path has a milestone concept. You will get the reward based on achieving different milestones. These are total 5 milestones. Different milestones require the completion of different tracks, that is courses, and each track will have its own assessment followed by the interview. Upon clearing each milestone, you will get the reward. Likewise, in case of DCA, in the TSLP path, you get the opportunity to go into digital cadre upon clearing the milestone 1. After that, each milestone will have an incremental reward. One major difference between two paths is DCA path gives you chance to go into digital cadre only, but TSLP path gives you opportunity to go from ninja to innovator cadre after you have completed your milestone journey and achieve the Wings 1 certification. So now talking about the eligibility criteria, that is who is eligible for this Wings 1 program. So associates having C1 equivalent or below C1 all are eligible, and if you recently joined the fresher as a fresher guy, so you all are eligible. You can check your grade in your offer letter, also on your salary slip. And the second and most important eligibility criteria is work performance. So you should have a or B performance band to eligible for this program. And if you recently completed 1 year, then you will get some ratings 4 or 5 that will be considered as a high work performance. Okay. For the first part, that is DCA, NQT structured will be followed, which consists of numerical abilities, reasoning skill, verbal ability to questions of advanced coding. And as we all know, DCA is no more. Yeah, DCA is merged with the TSLP as per the corporate team. Many associates are asking to the Elevate team to bring back DCA. I hope Elevate team will take the decision based on associate request. Now for the second path is TSLP. Here some course needs to be completed. So this is the course ID for it. For IS 15205 and for ITIS, that is infrastructure roles related project, 15206 course ID needs to be completed, which will be available on the iWall. I will provide this course ID in the description for your reference. Now rewards. So इतना सब करके हमें क्या मिलेगा? So yes, rewards मिलेंगे in the form of money and designation. If you completed any of the path, first of your designation will be changed from ASC trainee to system engineer. Your compensation letter will get updated. In your salary, you will get some amount as a Elevate incentive just because you completed Wings 1 by any of the path. And lastly, high talent flag will be set for you. That is, you are aware about the latest digital technologies and you can work on this digital technologies in this future. One important point that is, after clearing any of the path, you should maintain a high, that is A or B performance band. Otherwise, your Elevate incentives will get paused and it will resume to your Elevate incentive if you try to get the high performance in the next year. So don't worry, you will get your basic salary by excluding Elevate incentive, which you are getting before Elevate incentive. So yeah, that's it from this video. I hope everything is clear from this video. My next video will be on TSLP path in detail, in which I will be covering what is track and TSLP, which track needs to be completed, its course ID, paper pattern, everything. So stay tuned for my further videos, and if you have any queries regarding this video, mention that in the comment section, will help you. And if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe.